Hello, marhaba and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the first episode of $1 Million Listing in Istanbul with your investment guide, Adil Sami. So my lovely investors, my people from all around the world, welcome to a new series, new episode of $1 Million Listing in Istanbul with your investment guide, Adil Sami. And if there is me, it's all about luxury lifestyle, it's all about high-end living for you guys, because it's demand from your side, You guys always ask me, you wanted to see the villas, because everyone from our region, they wanted to come here, relocate here into Istanbul. They wanted to live in villas. So this project, I bring it for you in Büyükçekmece, Kumburgaz. We are talking about the distance from city center, almost 40 kilometers. That means by car, it will take you 1 hour on the normal days. But the traffic of Istanbul is crazy. It can take up to 3, 4, 5 hours also, but normal hours, 1 hour. And we are talking about why you should invest here. There are 3 whys. The first one is the location. As I have told you, it's amazing location, green area, family residential project, family residential area. Just next to us, we have the sea here. So I believe all those who wanted to live in Istanbul next to sea, this place should be one of those places for you. Okay. So the second one is the exclusivity. We just have 18 villas among 18. 8 are already sold out, so that means we just have 10 villas for you, starting from $1 million, and it can goes up to $1.2, $1.3 million, depending upon the meter square, depending upon the view. So it's all about exclusivity, and if you wanted to come here, live here, start a new life, Istanbul with your family, I believe this can be an opportunity for you. You know why? In last couple of years, what I have seen, the prices of the property has gone really crazy in Istanbul. If you are going to city center for $1 million, in some of our projects, you can get a small 100-meter square apartment there, 1 bedroom or maximum 2 bedrooms. But in this price range, you are getting 465-meter square, 6-bedroom villa for yourself, with this amazing swimming pool, with the car parking, all the amenities, with the security, everything for just $1 million. So I believe if you wanted to come here, if you have $1 million in your pocket and you wanted to start a new life with your family in summers in Istanbul in 2025, this should be an opportunity for you. Furthermore, you should see this video, enjoy the video, and if you have any queries, any concern, you can always ask us. So my lovely investors, I believe you have seen the video, you know about the project and you know about this villa. So if you have any query, any concern, or you want to reserve this villa, as we have limited opportunity, you can always contact me, Adil Sami, your investment guide based in Istanbul, Turkey. You can follow me, my life on Instagram, Adil Sami Official. And if you wanted to reserve or talk about any other of my projects, I'm always here. And see you in the next video of $1 Million Listing in Istanbul. See you in the next video. Thank you.